Hello everyone. In today's video lesson, we will use our basic knowledge in C++ to type a small program that can serve as a calculator. To do that, we're going to create a new project, console application, click Go, C++, click Next, and we're going to name the project Calculator. You can name it something else if you want to. Click Next, click Finish. On the left hand side, double click on Sources, double click on Main, and right after include IO stream, I'm going to include another preprocessor called IO manip. And the welcoming message will be basic calculator. I'm going to remove return 0, and in main I'm going to start by declaring a couple of long numbers and then a couple of characters, and we're going to start processing them. Okay, we're going to start by long double number 1 semicolon long double number 2 semicolon, and a message that's gonna ask enter your first number equal space semicolon, and we're gonna enter number 1. Your second number equals semicolon, and we're gonna enter number 2 semicolon, and we're gonna declare a couple of characters, and it's gonna first ask the user to enter the operation. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, semicolon, and we're gonna also declare char a equals single quote plus semicolon char b equals single quote minus semicolon char c equals single quote multiplication semicolon char d equals single quote division semicolon, and a long double result semicolon if we forgot to declare char x, which is going to be our choice, semicolon, and we're going to ask the input for x, and if x equals, double equals means exactly the same thing, a, result will be equal number 1 plus number 2 semicolon standard cout set standard set precision up to 15 digits. Cout, your result is equal result end of line. Okay, the rest is pretty much the same. I'm gonna copy and paste. If the choice of the user is B, and B is for subtraction, number 1 minus number 2. If the choice is C, number 1 multiply by number 2, and if the choice is D, number 1 divide by number 2. So basically this is a really basic calculator, and in case of the division part, the user enters 0 for number 2, it's gonna default to error or infinity. To catch that, we have to use a try and catch exception handling part here, but to keep it simple, I'm just using this example for now. Otherwise, to program it well, we have to catch exceptions if the division goes bad. Okay, we're gonna assume number 2 is not 0. It's not gonna happen, but in case it does happen, we will be able to catch the exception. Okay, I'm gonna build and run. Before that, I'm gonna add a couple of cin.get. to be able to get an executable for this program. So I'm going to build and run the program and see if everything is going well. Okay, basic calculator. Enter your first number, 3.2. Enter your second number, 5.2. And it should display 8.4 if we're adding. Plus. Okay, your result is 8.4. We're going to test the division part. I'm going to enter 2. And second number is going to be 3. And if we divide 2 by 3, it's going to show 0.66 to infinity. That's why we set the precision to 15, so it doesn't print out 6s until we get to infinity. Division, here we go. We get 0.666666667. It should stop at one point. Thank you so much.